Yo, what is up? That's right, this bitch is at the park because y'all already know. You gotta get yourself out of the house from time to time. It don't do nothing for your mental health to sit at home. You gotta go out and enjoy the simple things. So, came out to the park for today's first episode of Treat Yourself. So, what are we gonna be doing on Treat Yourself? Well, we're going to be taking care of ourselves. Something we don't tend to do very often, and let's be real, a lot of us live with depression, anxiety, burnout, and one of those common symptoms of these burnouts and long-term depressions and even mental health issue struggles is anhedonia. In case you don't know what that is, it is a very common term. Comes in two different forms, in both social as well as physical. The physical might be more recognizable for most of us. Normally, like for example, we may have enjoyed getting hugs. But now all of a sudden when someone hugs us, we feel emptiness. No sense of anything really. This can translate all the way into sex, and even make sex feel like a chore or just not worth your time. In the social side of it, you could run into things such as not wanting to go to birthdays or parties because you just don't see the need in it anymore. You disconnect. You cease to be able to feel certain pleasurable emotions with those experiences that normally would have provided lots of fun for you in the past. So, how do we fix this? You treat yourself. That's how you fix it. You retrain yourself. You immerse yourself in pleasurable activities and teach yourself again how to enjoy these simple pleasures. Because honestly, it's really important for our mental health. And a lot of us who smoke do suffer from a lot of mental illnesses, stress, and other health concerns. We'll let this one pass on by, right? So, on today's first episode of Treat Yourself, I will be teaching you how to make your own bath salts so that you can have a nice relaxing soak at home. The bath salt soak, the recipe that I'm about to give you, is also designed for inflammation and sore and joints, so this will help with some of that as well. So, stay tuned, get your pen and paper, and here's what you're gonna need.
You will need a 4-ounce jar, a spoon, and a bowl, glass or metal. Six tablespoons Dead Sea salt, a quarter of a teaspoon CBD distillate in olive oil, 8 drops frankincense essential oil, 8 drops sweet orange essential oil, 6 drops clary sage essential oil. Gently add CBD oil followed by the essential oil, then blend well. Once done, transfer the bath salts to a glass jar. Aromatic baths have a powerful effect on the body, mind, and spirit. And when we enhance the experience with CBD, our muscles, aches and pains, nervous energy, and any joint swelling or inflammation can slowly melt away, offering us tremendous relief.
Well, next time, catch you later. Don't forget, treat yourself, because you work. Laters.
I spend a day treating ourselves. What do we treat ourselves to?
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
It's the best day of the year.
The best day of the year!